Welcome to the Silk Walk Studio. Good evening everyone. Whoever has joined our live, please let us know if you are there. So again, after two live sessions of yesterday, we are back again with one more session this week because we couldn't fulfill people needs, and many of you all have been asking us for the sale sarees which had already been sold, and you all wanted more of the sale collection. So yes, we have brought a lot of sale sarees plus a set of new collection like last evening.
Tanuja says hi.
Hi Tanuja, welcome.
Priyu says hi.
Hi Priyu.
Pratibha also says hi.
Hi Pratibha. So as I was telling you, we have brought few sale sarees like yesterday morning and few new collection like yesterday evening. So we have both sets. Let's see how the response is today. The procedure to buy is take a screenshot and message us at 7676025364, which is our WhatsApp number, and I think few of them are available on the website to book, but the sale sarees have not been updated with the sale rates, sale prices, so it would still be there with the old prices. So I think people should contact us directly for the sale sarees.
Malati says banana pit sarees.
Yes, definitely. We have two of them on sale today, so definitely it's going to be there today itself.
Shri Manwa says hi.
Hi Shri Manu. If you are there guys, please let us know. We are going to start very shortly.
Barua says hi.
Hi Barwa.
Lavanya says hello.
Hi Lavanya.
Sandhya says was waiting for live.
Hi Sandhya. So all the sale sarees of yesterday morning has already been packed and ready, okay, for dispatch. So we will be dispatching them on Monday, that is tomorrow.
Priyu says any raw silk collection there?
Raw silk, no, we don't have today raw silk. If you want pure raw silk, please message us. We already have a few on the website.
Anju says hello.
Hi Anju. So I think we shall start now. Yeah. So we are going to have in a wide range, okay?
Tanuja says start pannunga jo, can't wait to see your collections.
Yeah, definitely starting soon. There is no wasting time in our show, definitely everybody knows that. So we are going to show a set of sarees which are priced from 2000 to 8000, okay? So today we have a big, it's an assorted collection of price ranges.
Akshaya says hi, Jyoti says I have many more, sir.
Hi guys. Hi everybody, welcome. So I think we should start now. So these were priced at 3000, okay? That was the range.
Archana says hi.
Hi Archana.
Ramya says looking gorgeous.
Hi Ramya, welcome.
She also says which yeah, the one that you're wearing is nice, and
Thank
she wants
you.
to know the price.
Thank you Ramya. The one that I'm wearing is mine, okay? I've taken the blouse also, so you can see that. We have similar collection, that is why I purposefully wore this. And this saree I have used so many times, and I am in love with the fabric, okay? So we have put them on offer. I think we have 3 or 4 of them, and all of them are available on offer. And this might be, we could not restock these sarees. So if probably 1 or 2 is left in that sale, I would be taking that. So
Vani says hi.
hi Vani.
Kritika says looking very pretty, Joanna.
Thank you Kritika. So the saree has a very beautiful drape. So I'm going to show you such sarees. We have, as I told you, we have an assorted collection, so please stay tuned.
Bhanu says hi.
Hi Banu.
Nidhi says hi.
Hi Nidhi.
Kritika says hi, Joanna, been quite long.
Hi Kritika. Yeah.
Chaito says looking pretty.
Thank you Chaito. So we are looking at a few organza, Banaras designed organza sarees which were priced at around 3000, and now we have it at an offer price of 2000 rupees. Okay, so pick anything at 2000 is the first set of sarees that I'm going to show you. So Very, very soft fabric, and it will give you a rich look. So that's the pallu, and it comes with a blouse like this.
Gauri says hi.
Hi Gauri. The next one is an Uppada silk. Okay, so this is the blouse of the Uppada silk, and this sari was priced at 4,500. Now it is available for 2,000 rupees. So this is the blouse piece. This is definitely a stock clearance sari for me, according to me. So if anybody is interested, it's a pure Uppada silk sari. It is priced at 2,000 rupees now. That's the pallu. Okay, it comes with a silver blouse, which I showed you before. So it's a pure Uppada silk, priced now available for 2,000 rupees.
Akshaya says I like it.
Thank you, Akshaya.
She says looking pretty cutie.
Thank you.
Deepali is saying net tissue. Not sure from her side or our side.
Okay, guys, if I think we are audible, because if people, if you couldn't see us or if there is a network issue, please let us know. That's the pallu, blouse. Okay.
Shivani mentioned we'll take this green.
Yeah, Shivani,
Uppada.
please message us 7676025364. That's the WhatsApp number. So this is also at 3,000, now available for 2,000, black.
Price of the saree?
2,000 now. Whatever I'm showing you now is pick any 2,000.
Lizzie
this
says
is-
love this black one.
Thank you. So this one is a very, very rich sari. It is a rich looking. All of them are semi, okay, not the pure ones. So now available for 2,000 rupees. You have to pleat it up like this. That's the pallu. A very rich pallu comes with a very, very rich blouse like this. Okay, 2,000 is the price. We have pick any 2,000. This is the last sari. So it's in a navy blue with a red border. Okay, pin it up like this. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. Okay, sorry, we have two more saris in the 2,000 price range. Somebody was asking for banana pith, which is Chinnalam Pattu sari. We only have two pieces. They do not come with a blouse, okay?
Vani says all saris are nice with reasonable price.
Thank you, Vani. Thank you so much. So it's a beautiful sari. You know, it's sort of a olive shade. That's the pallu.
Akshaya says you're looking pretty.
Thank you.
Sandhya wants to know the fabric of green and blue.
Organza. Organza saris. They are semi-organza, not the pure ones. Okay. It's organza with Banaras work on the body, pallu and blouse. So you know what is the procedure? Take a screenshot and message us. So this is in a sort of a biscuit color with a slight, it's somewhat dual toned with a light green shade also, like a pistachio shade. That's the pallu. 2,000 is the price.
Again, Ramya in Facebook asked how to order. Take a screenshot and message us at 7676025364.
Okay, so the next set of saris, like what I am wearing, okay, these are Kora linen saris. So they were priced at somewhere 3,500. Now it is available for 2,500. It's a very pretty sari. I know many of my customers who trust me, they have got them. So they will know how, they should tell how the fabric is and I have a few client pictures also on my page, so please go and see them. So it's a beautiful sari with elephant prints in a bronze color. That's the pallu. Comes with a blouse. Okay, fabric is very, very soft and flowy. 2,500 is the offer price.
Amulya like to book the second banana pit saree.
Yeah, Amulya, please message us, Amulya. Yeah, I think I know. Yeah, she took a few saris.
It's
yesterday.
packed right today. We packed it.
No, we haven't packed
Okay.
because she had taken some saris yesterday evening
Okay,
also.
okay.
So we haven't packed yours, Amulya. So you can message us.
We can send everything
Yeah, yeah.
together.
Angia says that's so pretty.
Yeah, so this is in a beautiful, it's in a sort of a yellow shade. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. It was priced at somewhere 3,500. Now it is available for 2,500.
Angie also says lovely bronze.
Thank you. The bronze is nice. The yellow is nice. I have 4 colors. All of them are very pretty. Lightweight, okay. Flower prints. That's the blouse. Okay, the next one. So this is a beautiful color. It's a white and a sort of a light bronze color again.
It's not bronze.
Or mari greyish bronze.
Greyish.
Very pretty one. That's the pallu. That's the blouse.
It's metallic grey.
Yeah, it's sort of a metallic shade. Very pretty it is. Okay, so the next one, the 2,500.
Someone said nice saree. Can't read the
Name.
name.
Okay, so the next one for 2,500 is a chiffon Banaras sari. Same sari you will have in pure chiffon, which is 7,000 rupees. This one is a semi-chiffon sari and it is priced at 2,500. It was priced at somewhere, I think 3,500 in that range. So that's the pallu, that's the blouse.
Are these linen saris?
Yeah, the ones that I showed you before was all linen. Okay, so now we have, these are very, very new. I haven't uploaded them. I think this one especially I haven't uploaded in the website also.
Do you want to do a Tamil commentary? It's adorable to hear. Yeah, Renaka.
உனக்காதான் இருக்கும் உனக்கு தான் நிறைய ஃபேன்ஸ் இருக்காங்க இப்போ. So this is a nice wine shade with a pink border and a pink pallu. That's the blouse.
Amulya wants to book the ivory and metallic grey coral.
Yeah, please Amulya, take that. You will thank me later, okay? I'll tell you.
Are these silk saris?
These are Banaras semi-chiffon saris. Okay, price of these saris are 2,500.
Do you have blue in the sari?
Whatever is available now, we are just giving a clearance, and therefore what we will have new colors definitely for sure.
The linen ones were 2,000, right?
2,500 was the price. We will have new colors definitely. That is because we have just 1 or 2 pieces in them. We wanted to do a clearance, we wanted to do a sale, and we are giving them at 2,500. Okay,
Are
so
these available in website to book?
No, they are not available on the website. If you want to buy it through the website, it is available in the old price. You have to pay 1,000 rupees extra. Okay, I'm not going to open the sari because this is really difficult to fold it back
yeah.
again. So this is the body of the sari. That's the border. Okay, it comes with a blouse which is in a pink, and it comes with a pallu which is also in pink. Okay,
Come
so this is
closer.
the, yeah, I'm going to show you the pallu. So this is the pallu. Okay, and the body has cuttams like this, cuttams and like iron butta. So this is the sari, yellow with a pink, I have already opened the sari in a video earlier, so if you want, I'll send you that video for reference. Okay, it is there on the website in the description. You can just put that as kuppadam. You will get the sari, and check the description. You will find a video of the sari. Okay, so this is also available for 2000 rupees. I had to show it in the beginning, but I forgot. So this is also available for 2000.
Madhu wants the wine color sari.
Take Madhu. The semi chiffon, right?
No, the previous one.
Yeah. Madhu K.R.
Yes.
Okay, Madhu. It's
I asked her to send a screenshot.
Yeah, I'll take it. I'll keep it for her. Okay, so the next few saris are priced at 3000. Okay. Beautiful tissue saris.
Can you do a live for Kanchipuram?
Kanchipuram பெரிய இன்வெஸ்ட்மென்ட் ஆச்சே. அத்தனை பேர் வாங்குவீங்கன்னா சொல்லுங்க.
Crystal says hi.
Hi Crystal. So it's a beautiful uppada tissue sari. That's the pallu.
Priyu says please
That's the
upload the
blouse.
video soon. I missed the first part of the live.
Sure Priyu. You were there, no? From the beginning I think Priyu was there. So it's a beautiful shade of tissue, uppada tissue sari priced at 3000. Earlier it was priced at 3500.
Madhu says yes, the wine chiffon sari.
Yes, Madhu. Done. Okay, so the next one, 4200 was the price. Pure uppada silk. Now it is available for 3000 rupees. What is price? 3000.
Do you have more colors in this sari?
Edulada?
Kalyani is asking.
Illa Kalyani. No Kalyani. So this is again a beautiful shade. Pallu, blouse. 3000 is the price. Moving on to a few silk sarees, okay, which we are going to give them at the best price, okay. Some sarees are even less than the price what we have got, but because we wanted to do a clearance, we are doing this. This was priced at 6000. Now it is available for 4200. So it's a pure silk, double watt, and with a copper zari, copper thread work. A green sari. That's the pallu. That's the blouse.
Angia says you might be exhausted after that.
Seriously. Actually, I'm exhausted after yesterday's live. Okay, we just had 5 minutes to go for a walk outside in the evening today, and we are back again with our regular work. So yeah. Anyways, I'm happy doing this. So it's a green, dark green sari. 5900 was the price. Now it is available for 4200. If anybody wants, please take it. It would be very pretty when you are draping. Similarly,
Now Madhu is confused. Which saree to buy to?
Madhu, ellame super sarees Madhu. Take a silk saree.
What do you mean by double warp?
Double what? We have explained it many times, but let me tell you again. It is 2 threads which are twisted together and weaved. Okay, when 2 threads are twisted together and weaved. So again, like triple warp means 3 threads are twisted. So when you go to the higher, like single warp, double warp, and triple warp and all, the thickness of the sari is more. So I think that much is enough for an explanation of. So yeah, it's a grey. It's a beautiful grey with thread work. That's the pallu. Comes with a blouse. 4200 is the price. Next is again a beautiful pastel shade with a sort of a reddish brown thread work. $4,200 is the price. Portrait pink ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இந்த கலர். கரெக்ட்டா மா? That's the blouse.
மாதிரி இருக்கு almost.
Portrait pink. Okay, so the next one, we only have a single piece of this. This was priced at 6,900. Now it is available for 5,500. This is a sari. It's a pure silk sari in a power loom. Okay, so we had a good collection of such saris before, but now we don't have. This is the last piece available. Very, very beautiful for a bridal sari.
Pooja says, wow, beautiful colors.
Thank you. This is a teal. This is a teal shade. That's the pallu.
Lavanya wants to know the price of the pastel sari.
Blouse. 4,200 was the price of the previous saris that I was showing you. This one is 5,500. So it's a beautiful sari. I hope the color is correct in the video.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so next two saris also, they are priced at, they are from the Togai collection.
And Pooja want the blue sari.
This one.
Okay, take it, Pooja.
Please send the screenshot.
Yeah, please message us, Pooja. Only then we'll be able to block it.
What is the cost of the sari that you're wearing?
2,500. The one I'm wearing is not available for sale. I've worn them so many times. Okay, even for the IGTV videos, I think I've worn them quite a number of times. So yeah, this is in a grey. You know, it's sort of a bluish grey. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. Okay, 5,500 is the price. One last sari for sale from the pure silk. Okay. Again from our Togai collection, priced at 5,500.
Can you tell the price of the pink one?
Pinka.
The pink.
Portrait pink.
4,200. Okay, so this is a beautiful lavender shade. Okay. A light lavender color with a contrast pallu and a blouse. 5,500 is the price. It has tree motifs. You can see, you can check the pictures on the Togai collection of our website. Okay, so the next set is a set of pure new arrivals, pure silk saris. So we are going to see them. They are priced from 6,000 to 8,000. Okay, we have a very nice collection. So if you want, please take a screenshot and message us. Okay. Okay, the first one, 6,900 is the price. It's in a bottle green. Yesterday we showed a dark blue, right? So similar one in a green. So it has leaf-like motifs in silver and in gold. So let me show you a closer view. Comes with a pallu, comes with a brocade blouse. Full brocade blouse. Price is 6,900. Okay, so this sari I have already showed in my latest reels. So it's a double tone, it's a dual tone sari. It's sort of a lavender, and you can see a green also. I hope the color is visible. Okay, it's a dual tone. Probably when I'm opening it, you should be able to see the exact tone of the sari. So this is priced at 6,450. So it has a lavender shade and a green shade, which is dual tone, like light ke the madri ipdiyo appdiyo konja color theriyum. That's the pallu. Comes with a blouse.
Hema says lavender one is lovely.
Thank you, Hema. Okay, so this color again, many of you all wanted to book yesterday, but we just had one more piece, so I wanted to show you all today. So this one is a beautiful light turquoise.
Madhu says the color is visible.
Okay, okay, Madhu. I'm glad if it had captured well. I'm glad,
This
especially.
one appears little Blue shade.
This might appear bluish, but it is, a turquoise shade, which is, I think you should look for turquoise, Google and see, you will get one color, and the color exact color. That's the pallu. Comes with a contrast blouse. 6450 is the price. And same motifs like the, leaf-like motifs which I showed you, which is the first sari which I showed you now.
Pooja says nice collections.
Thank you,
She
Pooja.
also says very beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, so the next one is also priced at 6450. Previously when we, I think the same design we had showed you earlier, but it got sold. We have restocked this color again. So it's a beautiful purple with a black border. So it has lamp motifs all over. Lamp-like motifs, okay, that's the pallu. That's the blouse. I have a client wearing, it's a different color. It is there on my feed, a client who is wearing the same saree. Not one, I have two clients who is wearing the same saree. It's quite a hit in our page. So this is in a beautiful shade, purple shade with a black border. Okay, so the next two sarees are going to be from the Exclusives collection, priced at 8,900. Okay, so this is in a mauve color. A very, very pretty saree with copper zari. So it's a beautiful saree in a copper zari in a mauve shade. Okay. Pallu.
What was the price of the light
Blouse. That's not light blue. It was a turquoise shade. 6450 is the price. It's a turquoise green. So this is a beautiful color of a mauve color with copper zari, an elegant sari. Pair it up with ivory color blouse. Super. That's the pallu. As I showed you, this is the blouse.
Vaishu is saying you look too tired.
Maybe Vaishu. I need some rest. So in the show முடிஞ்சோனே இப்ப அப்படியே போய் படுக்க வேண்டியதா.
ஆமா நாங்க போடவே முடியும்.
What to do? யாரோ நேத்து உங்களுக்கு காம்பன்சேஷன் கொடுக்க சொன்னாங்கல. அதெல்லாம் வேணும்னா பண்ணிதான் ஆகணும்.
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi, Dr. Lakshmi.
Dr. Lakshmi.
So this is again one of the exclusive sari priced at 8,900. So it's a beautiful color. Full copper zari work, okay? That's the pallu. That's the blouse.
Nivedita says gorgeous colors.
Thank you. Beautiful argo in the khari, where the color is so pretty. Adliyo on the mandala motifs la copper zari la romba alaga irukku.
Vaishu says cool.
Okay, so we have one sari which is in a I think black black or blue, black, it's a black shade.
కొంచెం bluish ఆ తెలియదు.
కొంచెం light blue ఆ తెలియదు, but full black.
It's black only.
6450 is the price. Black with silver zari buttas.
Yeah.
That's the pallu. That's the blouse. That's the blouse, okay? 6450 is the price. A beautiful sari, double one, 6450.
I think people are messaging.
Yeah.
The other phone is
Ringing. Guys, if you all want to book, please take a screenshot and message us. So somebody was asking for a gold sari. So this is a light, sort of a light gold. Somewhere between ivory and the gold shade.
to come closer. For,
So let me show you the design.
okay, that is
Okay.
visible. Pallu.
Flower design.
Can you tell the price for the dark blue?
8,900 was the price. So now this is priced at 6450.
Ovia says nice color.
Thank you. 6450. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. So again, for this sari, as I told you, use the bride inspiration picture what I sent, what I had posted on my story yesterday. Do some work with green, wear some green jewels, it will look nice. That sari comes with actually a brocade blouse, so just a little work at the on the border, or some like this how I'm wearing, that will look nice.
Nive is in love with the black sari.
Thank you.
Bhuvana says very pretty.
Thank you.
Can you repeat the price? The price range.
64. The last one was 6450. So now this sari, if you all remember this leaf-like design in copper zari. Earlier we had this design. Okay, whenever we posted, it was a hit. People had taken it very quickly. So this is in a pretty shade.
Angel says gold sari is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Vaishu says wow, so pretty.
Thank you, Vaishu. So it's in full copper zari, okay, all over the body with slight silver zari motifs also.
Nivedita says that pink is mesmerizing.
Thank you. This is a very pretty shade. Comes with a copper zari pallu and a plain blouse like this. Okay. Price of this is 7,900. 7,900.
Can you repeat the price?
7,900 was the price of the last sari that I showed you. A few of the previous saris were 6,450. We had also shown saris from a few saris of 8,900. We had shown a lot of sale saris, and the live is going to end in 1 or 2 more minutes. So you can go back to our IGTV and just check the live from the beginning and message us. So please be very sure when you are booking, because we might not hold the sari. If you say please book, we might not hold the sari for more than 15-20 minutes, because if somebody else asks, we'll have to give it to them, pass on the sari. So please do the payment and the booking very fast. Alright.
Chinmay says you really have beautiful color combo saris.
Thank you, Chinmay.
Bhumika says beautiful.
Thank you, Bhumika. Any questions, guys? We've come to the end of the show. So I think we'll have to meet you again next weekend only. I'm going to take rest for the whole week. Yeah, we also have the mermaid skirt, which is a great hit on our page. We haven't been doing much of marketing and all that, but still people are giving us very good response. A lot of brides are taking them. So thank you very much. You can book them directly from our website, thesilkwalkstudio.com. Go to the menu, click the menu, you will find Mermaid by the Silkwalk Studio. Mermaid by the Silkwalk Studio. So click on that. You will have the size chart. Click on the size chart to check the size of the, you'll have to check the hip and the waist. Okay. Check both the sizes in centimeters. So accordingly match which size would fit you. Like we have S, M, L, XL, and we also have XXL in off-white. So whatever size fits you, take them and then you can do the booking. We have few colors, black, off-white, we have pink, we have blue, and we have a grey blue, bluish grey.
Blue grey.
Blue grey.
Grey. Okay, that is,
Navy blue and blue.
Navy blue and blue grey. Okay.
Ovia would like to order.
Please, Ovia, please message us for all the sarees that we showed you now. Please message us on our WhatsApp number.
Vinu says very nice collection.
Thank you, thank you.
Madhu says I'll check out your live video recording now.
Madhu, go back. I think she got confused. Thirumma first la irundhu paarenga Madhu, paathittu solunga.
Bhumika says can you show the fabric ones of the mermaid skirt, the stretch?
Yeah. It is very stretchable. Just message me. I'll send you the link where we have showed you the mermaid skirt. No problem. I have the video already, so I'll be able to help you.
someone is joining now, I think. Chennai Ponnu. Hi, Jono.
Hi, Chennai Ponnu. But anyways, I think we've come to the end of the show. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. and last live la one rendu saree mattum irukku available. Okay, I think 4 or 5 sarees should be available, so I'll put up a picture on our stories. Okay, so you can, if you anybody wants that, or if you all have thought everything is sold out, if anybody wants that, you can message me. Well, thank you so much. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.